voice. Hi guys.
Good afternoon, Homemakers.
Hi guys.
So on today's vlog, me and my little mini chef here, my oldest baby, we are going to make homemade strawberry muffins, and we wanted to bring you guys along while we do it. So we're going to show you guys
microphones.
Great, we have our little microphones to help you guys hear us good. Okay, so we are going to make homemade strawberry muffins. You will, if you watch my vlog or are subscribed, you know that I am a homeschooling mom of 2. So my other baby, she's playing right now. So I decided that today, my daughter has been asking me to make strawberry muffins. So I thought, what a better way than to make it into a homeschool lesson. So yeah, it's our first time baking anything. My first time baking.
Hello.
So yeah, Lonnie, please don't do that. Okay. So let's get into it. So, like I said, we're gonna make homemade strawberry muffins. So be careful. So we chopped up a 1 pound of strawberries, just fresh strawberries. Then we have our milk. Wait 1 second, Lonnie. That's heavy, baby. Let me pick it up. It's heavy. We have our milk. Okay. Then we have the baking powder that we need. Okay, Mona, Lonnie, you gotta be careful, baby. The table. Okay, we have our salt, our measuring cups.
We have our cheese.
No, unsalted butter is not cheese, baby. Just hold that one up for me. We have our pan cooking spray, non-stick cooking spray. Our vanilla extract, pure vanilla extract.
And then
our sugar. And
our flour.
1 second, baby.
Scoopers.
Flour. I brought some paper muffin covers. And then I have 2 of the Good Cook muffin tins that we're going to use. So we hope that you guys enjoy this vlog.
And then we showed them this.
I did. I hope that you guys. I did. We showed them everything. It is spelled the same.
Show them that.
Oh, and sorry, that's right, Lonnie. Sorry. And then we have our eggs. Okay, so I hope that you guys enjoy this vlog and enjoy watching my little mini chef over here help me out.
And then we have. Mom, wait. We didn't show them this.
Okay, we did. Here we go. And again, measuring cups. Alright, so please enjoy. We'll see you in a bit.
Bye.
It's okay if it doesn't lay down. It's okay, Lonnie. We'll figure it out if it don't lay down. Don't worry about it laying down, Lonnie. Lonnie, don't worry about it laying down, babe. It's supposed to stick out a little. Here you go. Alright, take this one from here. Put it in the left hole. Awesome job.